So are you also capturing a lot of leads from your LinkedIn and you want to directly add this to your CRM? Then this automation is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build the connection between LinkedIn and Zoho CRM in such a manner that whenever there is a new lead from LinkedIn, automatically all the lead details are added to your Zoho CRM without you lifting any finger. Now this will save a lot of your time and you do not have to keep check on these leads manually. If you also want to learn how you can create this for your business and save a lot of time, then let's start creating this from the beginning. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can connect LinkedIn to Zoho CRM in such a manner that whenever there is a new lead in LinkedIn, automatically all the details are added to my Zoho CRM. For this, we are going to build the connection between these two applications using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you some tasks free on monthly basis. You can use the tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Connect Access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. I'm going to create this workflow from the scratch. Name this workflow as connect LinkedIn lead gen forms to Zoho CRM instantly, and now I'm going to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as LinkedIn automations and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new lead from LinkedIn, automatically a contact or a lead is created in the Zoho CRM, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking LinkedIn, and following this trigger application in the action application, I will be taking Zoho CRM. In the trigger event, I'm going to select lead notification and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with LinkedIn. And here it is, connection created successfully. Now I have to enter this sponsored account. In this drop down, you can see all the sponsored accounts. I'm going to select this account. If I open my LinkedIn, you can see that I have already logged in this Pabbly's ad account, and I have selected the same. After selecting this, I have to click on save and send test request, and you will see it will change to waiting for webhook response. And now I need to do a test submission in order to capture the webhook response here in this workflow. I'm going to open the lead gen form, and over here I am running a campaign which is in draft mode. I'm going to open this, and as I land towards the lead gen form, I'm going to do a form submission. I'm going to click on this apply now first. So here I'm going to do this form submission. I'm going to enter some dummy details. I've entered the email address as shubh@pabblytudes.com. Then I'm going to enter the phone number here, and then I'm going to enter the company name, and the company name is this. After entering these details, the first name and the last name are auto-filled. When you will be running a live campaign, your leads will get to fill all the fields. As I'm not running a live campaign, these fields are auto-filled. I'm going to click on this submit, and here as soon as the form submission is done, here it is done. I'm going to open my workflow and check whether all the details which I've just submitted I've received in the workflow there or not. Let's wait for the webhook response here. And here it is, we have captured the response. So we have captured the response just 3 seconds ago. The email address is shubh@pabblytudes.com. The phone number is this 8383. Then we have the company as Magnet Brains. The first name was this and the last name was this. Here, as soon as we have done the form submission, we have received that response in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever there is a new lead I want to add that to Zoho CRM. I'm going to select my action application as that. In the action event, I'm going to select insert update record with subform data and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Zoho CRM. Now over here, I'm going to enter the domain. If I open my Zoho CRM, on the top in this URL, I have this domain which I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it over here, and then I'm going to save this. This is the domain. I have already logged in my Zoho CRM, so I'm going to grant away the permissions, for which I'm going to click on this accept. Zoho CRM is connected, and now I have to enter the module name. I'm going to open my Zoho CRM account. On the left hand side, you can see this modules. We have all these modules and we have the same modules in this drop down. I'm going to select leads. Now whatever you want to create, leads or a contacts, you can select that, and as you select the module name, all the fields you will find it here. So then we have this layout. I'm going to select as standard. I'm going to skip this pipeline name, assignment rule ID, duplicate check fields, record image, lead owner. I'm going to skip these fields. If you want to enter, you can enter it following the help desk given below. Then I'm going to enter the company name. I'm going to go towards the LinkedIn. I'm going to enter the magnet pins. Then I'm going to enter the first name which I have received was this one. Then I'm going to enter the last name which I have received was this one. I'm going to skip the designation part. Then I'm going to enter the email address. I'm going to enter the phone number, which is this one. And then I'm going to skip the rest of the fields. So over here, you see mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response, and that's why we map it instead of manually entering it. After entering all the details, I'll hit save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. And we have received the response, and this response is a positive one. I'm going to open my Zoho CRM. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm going to go towards the leads. And here it is, we have received the response. So the name is this. Then we have the company, Magnet Brains. We have added the phone number, the same phone number appears here, and the email address also. If I click on this edit, you can see this is the same email address, and this is how we have built the connection between LinkedIn and Zoho CRM using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.